What's up, traders? It's Masood here from London. I am going to present to you the market forecast, market analysis videos for next week, the week that is going to start on 21st of August 2023. However, traders, I have some clean trading setups at the moment for you, but I am my feeling is not that great for this week, because a lot of pairs have stretched too much towards one side. So what I will suggest is that use a smaller lot size as compared to your normal lot size, and risk a little bit less this week, because my feeling is not that great about the market this next week coming up. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for notifications, and press my telegram group link is in the description for updates, because I do live trading as well. London session Monday to Friday. Right, the first pair today is USDJPY. By the way, you must have seen my result video of last week's analysis as well, and as usual, last week's analysis was bang on as well. That I did, or the pairs that I predicted last week, and they went into the direction that I predicted. So very successful predictions for last week as well as usual. Most of the my analysis is based on break and retest strategy, guys. So break of structure, wait for the retest, wait for the structure to build up, and then when the momentum comes in, then you enter the trades if you like. USDJPY has it's a daily time frame. It has broken this structure, strong resistance level, and now it is retesting it. So the only thing you need to do is go on smaller time frames, and after if the momentum comes back, the bullish momentum comes back, in bullish pressure comes back in the market, then it should continue its journey upwards. That's what I think for USDJPY for next week. Next pair is a USDCHF. On a daily time frame, as you can see that this daily bullish candle that was closed on Friday last week. It was a bullish candle, and it closed strongly towards the upside. The momentum is up as well, the trend is up as well. It has broken this resistance level, and my prediction is that if it gives us a little pullback, and then if the momentum comes back, bullish pressure comes back, it should continue its journey upwards like that. The next pair is NZDJPY. NZDJPY, if you see that the on last Friday the daily candle has broken this support level, and what I would like to see is, go a bit further down, give us a little pullback, and then it can try to at least fill this wick on the left. So that's why what my prediction is for NZDJPY. Next pair is GBPJPY. GBPJPY is exactly at at the same situation like USDJPY was broken this resistance level, trying to do a retest, and if this completes its pullback, excuse me, and give us a bullish pressure, then it can continue its journey upwards. Next pair is GBPCHF. GBPCHF is um, has broken this resistance level with a strong daily bullish candle. What I would like to see is, I would like to wait is if it gives us a little pullback and then give us bullish pressure, bullish momentum, and then it can go further up. Next pair is a EURJPY. EURJPY is again, it's like USDJPY and GBPJPY. It has broken this resistance level and doing a bit of a retest, and if the bullish pressure comes back in, then it can go for keep on going further up. So I mean, all the JPY pair, out of all JPY pairs, they are kind of looking similar to each other, or whichever gives you a better confirmation or a better entry, you can try to take that. But as I always say, trading is risky. Use smaller risks, use your own strategy, and um, yeah, I mean, just to follow your own instinct in that as well. That's it for this next week, guys. These are the only six clean pairs that I saw. Right now, this today is Sunday, 20th of August. Week is starting tomorrow. I hope you had a good week. You have a good week next week, as usual. But as I said, markets are kind of not giving me a good feeling. So use smaller risks, in next week. Until next video, traders, look after yourself, and I'll see you on live London trading sessions on my YouTube channel, free of cost, everything. Look after yourself.